Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to reject Melbet bonus. This is really easy. Before we continue, I have something special for you. I invite you to create a professional Melbet account. To do this, you will click on register. Next, you will click on full. Here you're going to enter all your personal information, and at the promo code section you're going to enter the promo code CAMTV. By using this promo code, you will get 300% bonus. So if you recharge your account with $50, you will get $150. All you have to do is to click on the menu icon at the bottom right. As you have just created your account using the promo code mentioned earlier, you are going to get a bonus. But if you want to reject that bonus, you are simply going to click on the menu icon at the bottom right. Even though bonuses are a really good option that will make you maximize profit, let's head on directly on how to block it. So you are simply going to click on the casino option, and now you are going to click on the promo icon. Then you are going to find out this check and activate, on which you are going to click. Now you are simply going to enter a new promo code which will not have any bonus. So you are simply going to enter here and click on activate. This will activate that useless promo code that will permit you to reject the old bonuses and options of the previous promo code mentioned earlier. And it's as simple as that.